The sanding pad holds the sandpaper and provides a flat sanding surface, ensuring flat workpieces. The pad is made of dense foam with a vinyl face that the sandpaper is stuck to. Over time, the edges of the pad will wear, and the vinyl face can separate from the foam. Replacing the pad on your sander is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the pad from the sander. You'll need a thin wrench to remove the pad, and the sander actually came with one. Insert the wrench between the pad and the shroud until it makes contact with the nut, and then you can unscrew the pad. You'll notice that 2 fiber washers will fall out with the pad. Now I can install the new pad. The new pad also comes with the 2 fiber washers. I'll place those over the spindle. The washers are there so that the pad doesn't seat directly against the balancer shaft. If it did, it could become bound in place, making it very difficult to remove the next time. I'll place the pad spindle onto the balancer shaft and screw it back into place. Then I'll reinsert the wrench and tighten it up. And that's all it takes to install a new sanding pad on your pneumatic sander.